Babes, this is how you do it in Jamaica. That is it, morning peeps. I don't know. I'm going to a lot of Ackee today. You see it. So now I just about after 8, something like that. So stay tuned and see what I go on. So peeps, as you can see, dust. The dust and murder, I think them. I draw up my knees in the morning if you come pick Ackee. Come, pick your first Ackee, let me see. Turn country woman in the morning now. Right, you know, tell me say, okay, I will leave me a hook. How did you make back this? Watch out. Watch him face.
Me can't wait.
Not tell me say you can't. Find a way, find a method. And that's why some people don't like me. I never tell myself so I can't do something. I find a method to make it easier for me. But it all get done. Find a method where you're comfortable with. Don't come turn up and pick one Ackee and tell me say that Ackee you pick.
It's a find a method.
But what about the one who is higher than you? Find a method. Look, you have one hook. A lot of people now have hook. Then just have one stick without hook. So find one method to pick it. What you do? No more you pick the same one there. You run for a challenge? Take your time. Take your time. You pick 2 when I need it. 2 when I want me it. That means you come forward. Because you want everything too, so. Alright. Pass the hook. Pass the hook. Mine don't hook me. It's like this. Alright, for example, the lonely one here. Try it like that. The one here,
so easy.
the one here where you did a fire with booms. Put the hook, you have to position yourself. Booms, that gone down. Booms, that gone down.
Excuse me.
Booms, that gone down. That make it? Come. Pick one Ackee. Use a method where you're comfortable with. No, you're not pick no rotten Ackee or some of you out. Come here. That is it. Pick one next one. But them the lonely still, you know. So that are easy for you, but as you say position, you have to position yourself if you can pick it. If me use one hook now, might be even easier for you. That a fishing hook. Come, put it behind it and dry it. Yeah. Dry hard. Put it behind it and dry it hard. Put it behind it. That is not behind it. I'm telling you. God. Pass it.
Let me video your
Look. Behind it and dry it out. Behind it and dry it out. Look. Remember, it's all about the stem, you know. Bam. 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 Bam.
No, they want to rotten.
Because of the rain, peeps. So you know, so when rain, Ackee out my rain fall, you rotten the Ackee though. So my majority of the time, them Ackee they look good, like so then just open, but then rotten. So this now, you have to pierce this inside up to the stem. Bam.
Get now, go on.
Sorry, that is it. So that next one still the fun. Two of them I might come down now. What not?
Oh, you're so lucky, bro.
That means it. Take up something them with earth.
Eh?
Take up the Ackee them, man.
You missed that.
You look at that part in the head like, oh my god. You would have cried. You would have cried today. You would have cried. What do you mean if I didn't something here? Take up and sit them. And look, peeps. Anytime, just yeah, like, say for example, you pick a lot of Ackee and you like, couple Ackee did a ground like 2 days ago or a day ago. And you want to know which one fresh, just look on the stem. It'll go extra green or light green, whatever you want to call it. It'll show you say fresh. You see me? If it's stale, you're going to see staleness on it.
Sure.
It's a trophy.
Sonny. Say hi. Wagwan peeps. What do you talk so? Talk awkward. But that's all to talk. No. That much better than him. Wagwan peeps. Yeah, wagwan peeps. See what Ackee there?
That is it. So them here, a lot of Ackee they in season now. So me I go freeze them here. And if me know nobody I got foreign, send Ackee a foreign from my grandmother, Gianna. That's why I now make a video now. So send Ackee a foreign from my grandmother. And if anybody else want Ackee and free run boat, you see me? So right now, Ackee and breadfruit enough peeps in a season. So if no YouTuber out they want to make a link up with me right now, because right now I have time, you see me? We just get some breadfruit and Ackee. Vlog and do a thing, enjoy yourself, you see me? I just they say things set you know. Because man now work you know, so I go and make use of time until I start work again, you see me? So I don't know anything set. You dance full in my brother.
See now what I got them?
You dance full in there? Babes, this is how you do it in Jamaica. That is it.
there? See one there right your face?
Huh?
See one there. Look cross you.
Where?
Look cross.
This?
No, look cross are you. When you
Can see
cross.
the direction?
No, not that. Look. See it there.
So?
Virgin, in next to you.
Oh.
Sure.
Watch out. If he think can't catch it, watch out now. That is it.
Wait, we can stop video?
That is it, yeah.
Oh.
You say you want to catch too?
Yeah. Give me all that.
Watch out now.
Ready.
Ready? Steady, go.
Stop it.
And drop it.
Good.
And drop it to net back.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Alright. This open. Once them crack, the gas come out. Yeah, I wanna come under here, so.
Make me catch it, make me catch it.
You can catch it? You sure? Good.
My turn.
Alright, so each time you catch one,
Yeah?
I go level you up. So two, I go through one time now.
Am I turn?
No, Gianna, until she drop. Until she drop it. Two, one time. Right?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, three, I go drop one time. Yeah. Yeah, my morning.
Morning.
Wow, find one next one.
The two there?
This one. Alright, so I three that. So, yeah, I go feel it. I believe it.
3,
You ready?
2, 1.
Oh, I know it. Alright, that make your turn.
Boom, boom, boom. As I'm getting the first one, that means I will fear.
Alright, that make you
Underestimate.
come. One. Ready?
Yeah.
Two.
What is the other? They get this? Uncle, you have to carry me and dinner.
You're lucky. I try to find more. But then they hold this so. Oh no, they don't this so no look and tell me if you no see none where me not see. Them blind man. Them not see nothing.
The one left?
Where?
What did they all for?
So we are show me far sitting for. Tell us this man is mad enough.
You didn't know Sandy I was say that to me.
I want to find two more to make three. Babes, I get one rat and key in there, but then I'll splash him up still. So, 3.
3, 2,
Ready?
1. Yeah.
Steady, go. That is it. You no bad like me.
Okay.
Like me, you no bad like me. Why me can't catch 3 Ackee?
Exactly.
Alright.
They can't even catch 4 much less.
So we are going next 3 now, peeps. This are more than 2,000. Watch it two stooge them. I try pick Ackee. You never see it like this. Are you?
Abe, me done. Abe, done.
Uncle, why you eating an Ackee so soft? Right in so.
I don't know.
Beep. Daddy, tomorrow Rasta, you catch chicken. I have to cut in the baby.
Yeah, talk search bag.
Did you not search?
See it there.
What are good enough? Remember say I go to the brother.
Oh no, me touch here, we saw.
Oh dear!
Some for the brother, you know, if you see no dog.
Yo! I'm talking about entertainment. Yo!
When the fat girl
She
went.
do it!
So you don't look in the future.
You
You know that she's beautiful.
hear what I say? Do you also want to take up one with one big head? Yeah, pop off your head. Pop off your head, yeah? Alright, walk meat up now. Walk meat, yeah. Clean out the middle now. Remember, angle knife with care. Angle knife with care. Look what you do. Baby, take out the knife. Take out the knife. Use the tip. Use the tip. Use the tip of the knife. And take time, gently take out this. See that? Use a finger now, take it out.
Yeah. What's it?
Walk meat up wide. Walk up over there, so. Yes, and clean out that now.